up, guys? Welcome back. So pretty much, guys, this is day 3 of H Day. I was here on Friday, the first one when we made it here. That's when you guys seen the first video. Second video is when we did the qualifying, test, pass, and everything else. First time in 15 years coming back to the track and actually hitting a 12.2. Car was actually on a little bit of a move yesterday. Unfortunately, we suffered a rod knock, but it is what it is. I'm already trying to figure out a new situation, figure out a different way to come back and come back stronger. So I am talking with CSS, I am talking with Nippon Racing, and possibly Turbo Smart. So I'm seeing how we can work things out, and hopefully we can come back stronger and make a little bit more power on the car and actually get capable of being lower than an 11-second car. Right now it's currently in a 12-second car, and yesterday it was on a move, making good jam at the last pull. Unfortunately, we did suffer a rod knock and some blow-bys, so motor is hurt. I'm not going to be driving at this point in time anymore because I do not want to send the engine through the block, and I don't want to oil down the track as I don't have a belly pan or a diaper for the car. So right now what we're going to be doing is a lot of racing, showing you guys the cars go down the track, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So we do have Dana coming down the track right now. Everybody is lining up from sport 4-wheel drive, 10 index, 9.5s, nitro cars. There's a lot of cars going down right now. This is elimination, so let's go ahead and get to it and see what these cars are and see who wins and see who takes it out. I'm not going to be here for a long period of time, as I'm going to cut it early here today, so that we can make the drive back to SoCal up there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Gumby still looks good though, all I gotta say. I still sense it, whether people believe me or not. You got Juju built over here. You got all of Fat Kid and all them over here. And then you got the other homies over here, Hollywood and all the cats. Big Ed Firme over here. Whitfield Racing, you got Aaron, and you got all the Killer Bee crew. A lot of East Coast people showed up, and hopefully H Day happens again, man. If you guys don't believe me, she already gave me the go to buy a new engine. Left lane. Alright guys, so 1150 class is going up next. The first one was a 10.5. So left lane. Huge shout out to her for the support. You already know. Without her, I wouldn't be able to get my CSS block, you know? She's my supporter. Right lane, baby. Dana took it.
Hey, 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 it's not even like that. No, it's not. I was not my tenant. Somebody else is on my tenant. You don't run the merch. I run the merch. Like I told you. Correct? Correct. Okay. You had a handful of stickers in your hand, right? I did not have motion.
You just said that you got the stickers that you had, my boy.
I didn't ask for them.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. They said, you said, these are free, right? These are free. And then you tried to grab a jersey. I followed my route. And you had a back This is free. I sold 5 of them yesterday. Don't come back to my team again.
All right, guys. So after all that drama, time to get back to racing. So Dana did make it to the next round. He's going in next. Homeboy's going. He's still racing too, right, Dana?
Yeah, he's still in.
And then the other homie over there, still next to me, he's still in.
He's still in.
So everybody's pretty much still in for the 1150. So hopefully Dana and homeboy can go at it again and he can get his vengeance back, you know? So let's go ahead and hit back to the lanes and see what happens, man. ¡Hazle, güey! You got the homie Husky over there, inside K-Swap.
It's going to be right side. The global just keep rolling. 11.
Dana took out.
On that
Right lane for the win.
For the win.
Got the other homie here.
1204. Final pair, I believe. And a single ride. Looking over his shoulder down there, going to roll out of the throttle down there, top end, Jonathan. 11:52 on that
Left lane.
11:50 index for the win.